Another thing I want to show, I want to add also another thing, so the fact that these special designs allows GAT to identify hi everyone and welcome to this guided tour. I'm Beatrice Danese, Product Manager at Opto Engineering headquarters, and for those of you who are not familiar with our company, we are an Italian company present worldwide and with more than 20 years of experience in the world of machine vision. We design, manufacture and market imaging components, a wide range of imaging components to help our customer find a solution for their vision challenges. And we basically provide all the main types of components that are useful for machine vision systems, and we are the partner of choice for machine vision developers. So in this guided tour, we'll dive into the world of 360-degree view imaging for the food and beverage inspection. And in fact, in this sector, manufacturers are facing increasing challenges to deliver high quality products, and very strict quality controls are required to meet the stringent standards in terms of integrity, safety and traceability. And since all these quality controls involve inspection that takes place on features that are located randomly both on inner and outer surfaces of objects, machine vision and in particular 360 imaging is crucial to this vertical. And as far as our experience is concerned in this sector, having the possibility to perform all-round inspection with the most efficient solution is one of the most recurring needs in this sector and in others. So we provide a wide range of 360 optics, where one image is enough to actually inspect all the surfaces of an object, and this represents a unique and innovative solution. Advantages, especially if compared to other common imaging lenses that are used in machine vision and other common solutions. Our selection of 360-degree view lenses allows you to get a top-down view of the inspected sample and to perform an all-round inspection with just one camera. And this actually allows you to get an easy way of getting 360 lenses, avoiding 360 inspection, avoiding complex multi-camera systems, bulky multi-camera systems, and also line scan system and part rotation. So you basically save time for synchronization and image processing via software, which is relevant for high throughput. And the compactness also and the excellent optical performance of our lenses ensure you to be able to perform inspections in line at high speeds too for components. So I will show you the three main setups we have today, live setups with common applications in this vertical, involving 360-degree view lenses. I don't know if we can move everyone here, but I want to show you something here. Attenzione, scusate ragazzi. Okay, so the first one I want to show you here is an inspection that is done with a glass juice bottle, inspected using a hypercentric lens. This is a new product we have that features a very special design that allows you to inspect the complete inner surface of the bottle using one lens and one camera. All our products are combined together to provide you an efficient solution for 360 inspection. So in this case, we see this hypercentric lens that features a special design with rays that are crossing and able to pass through bottlenecks and narrow openings like the ones we have with bottles. And in this case, you are able to image both the bottom and inner vertical surfaces of the bottle with one shot. This design allows you to see a field of view that has a ratio 1:3 in terms of diameter times height. So it's perfect for applications in the food and beverage where you want to inspect bottles, cans, or other types of containers. And as it is in this case, you can perform various types of inspection. In this case, we are, for example, showing an orientation check where you want to check how the bottle is orientated before other operations are performed. But you can also use this lens to inspect the inner surface to detect different types of defects and, for example, also the presence of contaminants or to check for the integrity of the bottle itself. Another thing I want to show, I want to add also another thing. So the fact that this special design allows you to keep enough operational space from the sample so that you can perform high-speed application and not have problems with working distance as it is for other lenses. So as you can see in this case, we have also placed a ring light in between the optics and the bezel to show you that you can have enough operational space and take advantage of the hypercentric design, as you can see here on the right of the screen. Then I want to show you another type of optics, which is a whole inspection lens that we can use for various types of inspection. Again, this is an inner inspection lens. In this case, we are showing the inspection of a filter cap that is inspected from the outside, but imaging the inner part. So thanks to this lens, it has a cylindrical field of view, which is different from the typical flat field of view of common imaging lens. You are able to inspect both the bottom and the inner vertical walls of the sample with just one camera and one shot, and to have everything in perfect focus. And then via software, you can easily unwrap the image you get to identify the defects you are looking for. As it is in this case, for example, we are looking at a specific defect. There, it's a cut, a scratch on the inner surface, and thanks to this lens and the wide lateral angle of view of the optics, you can see the features of interest. This lens also features variable iris to ensure greater application versatility depending on your requirements. But it's suitable for the inspection of caps or also other types of cylindrical containers in the food and beverage industry. The pericentric catadioptic lens, in this case, we are showing a pericentric catadioptic lens for larger diameters. In this case, it goes up to 110 millimeters in diameter. This is for the outer inspection of the containers in the food and beverage industry, cylindrical containers. In this case, we are showing the inspection of a container. It's like a cap or container cap for that could be useful also for the food industry, and we are inspecting the top and the outer sides for label recognition. So in this case, with just one camera and one lens, you can image the top surface and all the lateral sides of the sample to perform different types of check to identify surface defects, or as it is in this case, again, to perform OCR. And then you can easily unwrap the image via software to find the defects you're looking for. In this case, we are a product with variable eyepiece, so this makes sure you can match your sensor size according to your needs. These were the main live setups I wanted to show you for 3 and 60, but I will move again just to conclude back to the camera area to show you other two things that we have in cameras. As it is in this case, we are using this waterproof and dustproof camera to inspect samples in wet environments, as it is for food and beverage. Here we are performing character recognition on a tomato can. And then we are also having on the back of this side SWIR camera for visible and SWIR ranges. That is pretty useful in the food and beverage industry too, where you want to inspect food contaminants or make food sorting or identify, I don't know, moisture or water content in different materials. And last but not least, we also have polarized cameras that can be useful in the food industry to inspect packagings that have many reflections on it, so to simplify the inspection. And I think that by leveraging the capabilities of machine vision and 360 imaging, the food and beverage industry can achieve higher throughput, minimize risks, and improve the quality of the products that are delivered to the market.